Alright, today I am going to be making authentic ramen noodles, the way that they make it in a lot of countries in Asia. As many of you probably know, before I became a ramen noodle chef, I was taught by one of the top ramen noodle chefs in Asia. And he told me to make the best way to make ramen noodles is to simply cook your ramen noodles and add one ingredient. So that's what I'm doing. So what I did with this bowl of ramen noodles, I cooked the ramen noodles out of the seasoning packet and then drained it, right? Drained all the water out of it, right? All right. And now I'm going to add something called soy sauce, okay? This is soy sauce, okay? It's made with from soybean, all right? And what I got here, I got the soy sauce with 50% less sodium because the person who taught me how to make ramen noodles, he would rather use regular. But since I'm a healthier ramen noodle chef, you know, that likes to cook ramen noodle the healthy way, I'm using ramen noodle soy sauce that has 50% less sodium, okay? Do you see that? 50% less sodium from a ramen. All right, so I'm just going to open it up. Open up the soy sauce. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on. All right? Just enough to get on there, okay? So I have that. And then basically, I just stir it up a little bit. And I eat it. Very authentic ramen noodles. One of my favorite recipes. Depending on your taste, you might want to add a little bit less soy sauce, a little bit more. Some of you aren't as healthy as me, and so you won't get the 50% less sodium. But that's okay. That's your prerogative, okay? You're going to do what you want to do, right? So that's how you make authentic ramen noodle. I learned this from a chef, one of the top ramen noodle chefs in Asia. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.